Is it time to buy or sell NIO stock? In this video, we will explore NIO in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 30th of May, 2025. And now, we are back to offer you a more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to keep yourself updated on our latest insights. You certainly do not want to miss any critical updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched artificial intelligence stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4, available at StockInvest.us. Leverage the capabilities of artificial intelligence to obtain free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please keep in mind that this video is intended for informational purposes only and should not be interpreted as financial advice. Since the 23rd of May, 2025, our system has ranked NIO as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -1.51. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has seen a decline of 7.33%. This results in an average daily loss of 1.47% since it was designated as a sell candidate. The stock currently rests within a broad and declining trend in the short term, indicating that further declines are anticipated. The present 3-month trend suggests a potential decrease of approximately 15% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from a decline of nearly 36% to an increase of just under 8%. In terms of a longer view, our 12-month analysis reveals an expected change of about -12%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from a decline of nearly 25% to an increase of approximately 65% over the coming year. In practical terms, this would place the future price between $2.66 and $5.85. Our latest daily update for NIO includes the headline, NIO stock price ended at $3.54 on Friday, after losing 3.80%. The NIO stock price fell by 3.80% on the last day, Friday, the 30th of May, 2025, from $3.68 to $3.54. During this trading day, the stock fluctuated 2.70%. With a day low at $3.52 and a day high of $3.62, the price has declined in 8 of the last 10 days and is down by 11.28% during this period. Volume increased on the last day by 12 million shares, but this occurred alongside falling prices. This may serve as an early warning, slightly raising the risk over the next couple of days. In total, 34 million shares were traded, amounting to approximately $121,063,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $7.71, while the lowest was $3.02. Currently, the price is 54.09%, or $4.17, below the 52-week high, and 94.72%, or $63.45, below the all-time high on January 11, 2021, when the price reached $66.99. NIO Incorporated, China's leading electric vehicle manufacturer, is set to release its first quarter 2025 earnings on June 3rd. Analysts anticipate a loss of 22 cents per share, with revenues projected at $1,710 million. Recently, NIO stock has experienced significant volatility, dropping to a 52-week low just ahead of this announcement, amid fears of intensifying competition within the Chinese electric vehicle market. The automotive price war, led by BYD, has fueled concerns of a potential shakeout in the industry, particularly affecting NIO, XPeng, and Li Auto stocks. These developments suggest a challenging short-term outlook for NIO, as price cuts may pressure profit margins, making the upcoming earnings report crucial for investor sentiment. Long-term, while NIO is recognized for its innovation with swappable battery packs and holds a strong market position, the ongoing price wars and competitive pressures will be vital in shaping its growth trajectory. Investors should closely monitor these trends, as they could significantly influence stock valuations, especially if NIO can navigate market challenges and continue to grow its customer base amidst fierce competition. Analyst ratings. On Monday, the 28th of April, 2025, it was reported that Citigroup assigned NIO a buy rating with a hold action. On Thursday, the 21st of November, 2024, Bank of America Securities assigned NIO a neutral rating with a hold action. On Monday, the 28th of October, 2024, Wells Fargo assigned NIO an equal weight rating with an upgrade action. On Monday, the 28th of October, 2024, Macquarie assigned NIO an outperform rating with an upgrade action. On Monday, the 30th of September, 2024, Citigroup assigned NIO a buy rating with a hold action. Analysts have assigned NIO stock a general sell rating. They evaluate the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. In terms of return on investment, the analysts also rate the stock as strong sell. The following signals have been identified for NIO. Currently, there are few to no positive technical signals. The NIO stock shows sell signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, resulting in a more negative outlook for the stock. Additionally, a general sell signal is present as the long-term average is positioned above the short-term average. If there are upward corrections, resistance is expected at levels of $3.75 and $3.87. A breakout above either of these levels would trigger buy signals. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Monday, the 28th of April, 2025, and thus far, the stock has declined by 17.87%. Further declines are expected until a new bottom pivot is established. Moreover, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Yesterday, volume increased while prices were falling. This could serve as an early warning, indicating that the stock should be monitored more closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence. Sell signal. Pivots. Sell signal 24 days ago. Bollinger. Buy signal 1 day ago. Short-term moving average. Sell signal 12 days ago. Long-term moving average. Sell signal 6 days ago. The relationship between the short and the long moving averages. Buy signal 3 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average. Sell signal 9 days ago. The long-term moving average. Buy signal 25 days ago. The relationship between the short and the long moving averages. Buy signal 41 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for NIO. NIO finds support from accumulated volume at $3.52. This level may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. The stock exhibits average daily movements, and given the solid trading volume, the risk is considered to be medium. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by 9.5 cents between its high and low, representing a change of 2.7%. For the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 2.78%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for NIO, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company has negative earnings or is losing money. Even established companies experience downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may signal inadequate profit and potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the next earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is expected on the 3rd of June, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at negative 22 cents. Keep an eye on these figures, as they can significantly impact stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for NIO. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for NIO is at $3.75. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, NIO encounters its first support level at $3.52. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for NIO from various analyst sources is to sell. The most recent insider trade for this stock occurred over 3 months ago. The latest transaction took place on the 24th of February, 2016, when Citigroup Inc. executed an insider sale of 850 shares of variable rate demand preferred shares. We currently hold a negative evaluation for this stock, and there is no stop loss established. Is NIO stock a good buy? NIO presents several negative indicators and is currently situated within a broad and declining trend. Consequently, we anticipate that it will continue to perform poorly over the coming days or weeks. Therefore, we maintain a negative assessment of this stock. After evaluating the volatility and trading movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Monday, the 2nd of June, we expect NIO to open higher by approximately 0.18 of a dollar and begin trading at $3.56. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. It is important not to base your investment decisions on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day, with warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.